Okay, so this is my mixed species worm bin, and I just made a video about this yesterday. I'm letting this side dry down so I can sift these castings out. And as they're drying down, the worms have been motivated to move down over here where there's more moisture and food. There might be a few worms in here still, but most of them have moved down that way. And honestly, this is still a little bit moist, but we're going to see how much we can get out of here. I might let it dry down a little bit more, but we're going to go ahead and sift some. So here's my setup. We have this, but we're going to sift just this end. I have this empty bin with my 1/4 inch. This is 1/4 inch sifter. So the bigger chunks can go through. And then just this bin right here for the leftovers, the overs. I usually like to do a 1/8 sifted. So what I'm going to get this out today, and then maybe tomorrow I'll double sift when it's a little bit more dry, and then I can get a little bit more out. But for now, we're just going to do this. So I'm just going to take this, and this is great for getting worms in big chunky pieces. So let's see what we can get. See how it's not going to be perfect with a 1/4 inch. There's still a few pieces that fall through, but the majority of this is worm castings. But then these bigger, chunkier pieces are coming over here, like the seeds and the skins of things. So I'm going to speed this up and just sift all this. See, sometimes when it's too moist, it just balls up like this, and it doesn't stay light and fluffy. So that's why you want to get them dry enough to where they actually go through the sifter. Okay, so like I said, this is the 1/4 inch. I did this whole section. It took me about 5 minutes. And the 1/4 inch is still great. It's just there are still going to be some chunks in it. You can see a little bit of cardboard left, but most of this is castings. A lot of people actually use this in their own garden. I think some people might even sell a 1/4 inch. And look, this is what was left over. So just to show you the difference. It got all this extra chunky stuff out. There's still a couple seeds, but you know, this is there's definitely a difference in getting the castings out. This is fine to use on your own plants. You could sell them, but there are probably some baby worms or cocoons that have fallen through. So it just depends on what your goals are. For me personally, I usually sell the 1/8 sifted. So this is 1/8. Let me just show you the difference. See that this is a 1/4 inch, and this is basically twice as small. So I could probably try to go ahead and double sift this. Sometimes I go ahead and even start with this one, but these are still a little bit moist. You can see how much moisture they're still holding. And so it would be hard and too muddy to go through this. So what I could do is either use this, or I could let it dry down a little bit more, maybe for another day. I thought it was going to be dry enough to go through the 1/8 today, but it's just not. So use it for myself, or let it dry down and then do the 1/8 sifted. And when you do the 1/8 sifted, it gets even more of this out of there. So perfectly fine to use in your own garden if you want to, or your own plants. If you're okay with a few little chunky pieces and possibly a few cocoons. If you use this 1/8 inch, tiny cocoons will have fallen through, but it does catch most of them. And the castings are more fine and less coarse and chunky. So again, depending on what your goals are, this is perfect for catching big worms and big chunks of things, wood chips, things like that. This is great for catching even more. And you can even go a step further. And I have this 1/12 inch, and that's more of like a premium feel, very, very finely sifted castings. And I have had a few people buy that. Also, I'll mostly sell 1/8. And then this 1/12 is more of a premium feel that I use on my houseplants and seedling mixes especially. So just wanted to show sifting, go ahead and sifting this. And I think I am going to let this dry down for one more day and probably do the 1/8 sifted tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and spread this out, because the thinner the layer, the faster it dries down. So, you know, this was stacked twice as high because there's only 1/2 that bin. So if you do it in thinner layers like this, again, even put like a fan on it to get it to dry faster. The more you get in here and fluff it up like this, the faster it dries down as well, but not bone dry, just dry enough to be able to go through the sifter. Because look, this is just holding so much moisture still, and it's just too muddy to go through. So look, there's a couple little worms that have fallen through. That's one thing I don't like about the 1/4 inch is you are going to get a couple small worms, but some people are fine with that. They throw them out in their garden. So for me, I do want to get more of these chunks out and potentially more of these baby worms out. So let's go ahead and do this and check again tomorrow.